Welcome dear students, hope you fine, and today I will show you one interesting point how to convert CAD file to PDF. So let's start to begin with my AutoCAD file. Okay, open the file. I have two type of AutoCAD, so let's begin here to start. So this is AutoCAD file, and I will convert it to PDF it very easily with color, and without color I mean black. So let's begin. Get initializing AutoCAD 2013, it's a version. So I'll show you how to convert the CAD file to PDF. In next tutorial I will show you how to convert PDF to AutoCAD. Let's take a little bit more time because this is a huge file. Its size very big, so let's take it will take a time. Okay, 54%. When AutoCAD open, so this is very easily you can open the drawing. Okay, it's AutoCAD. One window will appear here, so then I will open the drawing. Okay. This is a window. I have their recent files a lot of, so I want to open. I want to open this file. Okay, this. Continue. Okay, so this is a multicolor file, so I want to convert it to PDF in multicolor and gray also. So it's simple, just click Ctrl P or go to menu and click on print. This is one, and the short key is Ctrl plus P. When you press, so that's a window will appear. So if you not have DWG to PDF, you will have like that, I think. So you okay cancel kare isko, or I think this is press here. If you want to print, so you select the printer. I want to plot in DWG to PDF, DWG to JPG, publish to PNG. You can change in PNG, JPG and PDF also. Now here is the paper size. So the standard size I want to print on A3 420297 mm. Okay, there is a lot of things where is display, extend, layout, window. So I want to select window and press on window. Okay, select first and last corner. Check here your plot is the center. Click on center of the plot. Plot scale fit to paper. Your plot is on fit to paper or not? Yes. Okay. Here landscape or portrait, which you choose. I choose landscape and click on here, and I select as per standard. Just I click preview. So look at this. This is a multicolor. So I then click right click. Okay, or simple press enter. So I right click and plot. Hence I plot. They wants to me location for me where you want to save. So I want to save in download, and this name second floor multicolor and save. Okay, I'll show you how is PDF looking here. This is a PDF which I converted. Okay, this is a PDF. Close it. Okay, So look at this. This is a multicolor, and the quality is such a 100%. Will show you it's better because the quality is not located to the decimals, measurements, and etc. locate are really exact size and quality. So I show you in black color. So look at Control P or DWG to PDF. Select paper size A3, window. Yeah, okay. Now center the plot, fit to paper, landscape. Now just I preview, it shows multicolor. Okay, so go here, plot style table or pin assignments. Go here and click on monochrome. Hence you select monochrome. So preview, look at this. This is on black. I repeat it. WG to PDF. Select paper size A1, A2, A3, A4, which you select. What to plot? I plot window. Fit to paper. Center the plot. Landscape. And come here and select the monochrome and preview. Hence you preview, the screen will appear here like this, and I'll save where the location I want to save here. Second floor, dark or black. Okay, and save. Hence you save. I'll show you how the file looking. Look at this, it's open automatically, and locate to the file. Everything are black and visible. Look at the zoom but not blur. Zoom, it's a 6400% zoom but not blur. So it's a quality of a PDF. So I think it will be easy for you to convert. I explain very easily and express to you how to convert CAD to PDF. So see you in next lesson. Keep it and take care. Goodbye.